Last year, BlackBerry had a total smartphone reboot in the Key1, an Android phone that added a keyboard to recapture that BlackBerry feeling that some people might still miss. The new BlackBerry Key2 is a refinement on the same idea. If you want a keyboarded phone, it's probably your last best bet. The Key2's keyboard is improved, both larger and with more tactile feeling, tapered keys that are easier to find by feel, but still kind of small. The keys still have a cool capacitive trackpad feature to scroll like a touchpad with your finger. A clever way to map shortcuts to any key using a shortcut button can be adjusted for short and long presses for 52 different app and action combinations. The fingerprint reader under the spacebar can be used to take secure photos at a tap that can be stored in Locker, BlackBerry's secure software for protected photos, files, and private web browsing. Meanwhile, BlackBerry is promising that its security software, DTech, is designed to help identify your various app privacy permissions better and scan your Android software to make sure it's all running the versions provided by BlackBerry. The $650 phone still has a somewhat small 4.5-inch screen, but the new dual cameras on the back promise better photos. It's a bit thinner and lighter than before, too. Just don't expect the Key2 to be water resistant much. For spills and splashes, maybe, but thanks to that keyboard, you can't dunk it.